Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So if you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing before you leave. I do a little bit of everything over here. I do like favorites videos, I do some makeup content, a lot of hair and wig content, some clothing try-ons, and some home decor sprinkled in. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, please consider subscribing. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my February favorites. So I did my skincare. I did a skincare empties and if I would repurchase it kind of video recently, but this video is not really like that. I have just like my favorites in general. It's a little bit all over the place actually. So the first thing I'm going to tell you guys is my favorite show currently, which is Next Level Chef. Me and Adrian love this show. By the time this video goes up, it might be the finale is probably over and we know who won, but for some reason a few weeks ago we just started to binge watch this show, and we love cooking shows. Like, we enjoyed the barbecue brawl show that came out last summer. We love all the Guy Fieri shows, diners, drive-ins, and dives and stuff, but this show with Gordon Ramsay is dope. First of all, I know he has Hell's Kitchen, but the vibe of that show is just too intense for me. And he's like cussing out the cooks and stuff. I'm not here for that. He's more of a mentor on this particular show. And I feel like I got to know the chefs and everything. And the cool thing about it is it's not just professional chefs. They have social media chefs. They have home cook, like people that cook at home that aren't professionals. And then they do have some professional chefs all mixed in, and it doesn't matter, you know, how they learned how to cook. Some of the at-home chefs are amazing. So I've just really enjoyed it, and so has Adrian. He loves it too. One of my favorite shows. Like, I cannot wait till the next season. They better not cancel that. They better not cancel that show, because I'm here for it. Love it, love it, love it. So as far as like YouTubers and content creators, first of all, I love TikTok now, but most of the people that I still watch the most are on YouTube. So I have really enjoyed watching LJ, and I have known about her for a couple of years, but in the last month I have really enjoyed her content, because if you haven't noticed, makeup content is not as popular as it used to be years ago with the huge makeup influencers and stuff. I feel like it's kind of a lost art. It's kind of died. But I feel like she's keeping it alive, and she's like a fresh face in the makeup influencer world. I think she's really great. Yeah, I feel like she has a lot of teachable, like tutorial based videos that are very beginner friendly. Like, she'll explain why she's doing something with her makeup instead of just doing it. Like, I am not a makeup artist. I've been doing my makeup for like 10 years now, but it's still like, I don't feel like I'm a teacher as far as makeup goes, because I don't know everything there is to know. But I feel like she's a wonderful teacher. If you're somebody who just wants to get into makeup now, she has a lot of beginner friendly makeup tutorials. If you're not somebody that's really into like colors and all that kind of stuff, like a beautiful base with your makeup, definitely check out LJ's channel. I think it's really great, and I just want to watch a lot of her videos on repeat because she has so much valuable information in her tutorials. I am on a wellness journey with my natural hair, with my mental health, and my weight and everything. So I'm trying to incorporate more exercise into my like daily routines, but actually I try to work out every other day. And I was introduced to Grow with Jo on TikTok. I saw this lady she did like a, you know, weight transformation. Watching Grow with Jo's video, she does a lot of like at-home workouts, and I am not ready for the gym just yet, and I've just been enjoying her workouts, and I'm feeling the difference in my body, and I'm seeing a little bit of results. I do some intermittent fasting as well paired with that, and watching my calories and stuff like that. But I really like Grow with Jo's personality and the workouts that she does. She has so much variety. She has intense, really hard stuff for the people who are advanced. She has some very beginner friendly stuff for me. and she has like some dance, you know, workouts and everything. I think she's great. Highly recommend her if you're somebody who likes at-home workouts. She has something for every level, really. She does. So I have been playing around with the thought of doing like meal delivery services and stuff. And I finally started to try HelloFresh at the beginning of February, I think, or end of January. And me and Adrian really like it. This is not sponsored. We only do the 3 meals a week, and we've enjoyed it. So like some of the portions we felt like were a little bit on the small side, but actually the portions are good, especially if you're trying to like watch your calorie intake. I just feel like I've learned more about cooking. Like if you want a certain kind of sauce to go on your tacos or something, just mix like sour cream, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper, and it's a bomb, you know, sauce to go on your tacos. I feel like I'm being introduced to a lot of different ways of cooking with HelloFresh, and they have all the ingredients for the specific recipe right in front of you, and they make it very easy. I really enjoy it. I have no issues with it. Some people said they have had issues with like the freshness of their ingredients since the pandemic, but I had a little bit of my cilantro on one recipe kind of it looked like it was dying or whatever, or it looked like it was kind of brown a little bit. So that's the only thing. But other than that, I really like HelloFresh. Recommend it, but you know, do your own research. But as for me and my experience, I really like it. And we save all the recipe cards that they have so we can make them on our own. So one of the reasons I wanted HelloFresh is because me and Adrian were always like, I don't know what to eat. What do you want to eat tonight? And with them, you have such a variety, so you're not stuck in a rut with the same kind of things that you eat. And staying on track with like the meal delivery services, I really like Factor as well. Again, this is not sponsored. I bought all this with my own coin. So with Factor, they send you pre-portioned meals that you just heat up in 2 minutes. And you can go with stuff they have vegan options, vegetarian options, they have calorie smart options. I have a lot of the calorie smart options. I order 8 meals a week. So when I'm filming like today and I don't have time to go get lunch or order DoorDash, which is usually going to be high in calories with whatever I choose, this is a great option that keeps me on track and helps me with staying on like my fitness goals and stuff like that. So a lot of the calorie smart meals are like 500, 600 calories, and most of the meals I've tried are good. I had this one thing with turnip hash that was not good, but most of the meals are really good, and they're healthy and they're pre-portioned, so I can use my MyFitnessPal app and type in my calories. If you're not somebody that's into calorie count, not understand, it's a pain in the butt, but it makes it easier because Factor is already on MyFitnessPal, so is HelloFresh. So it's easy for me to track my calories. And as far as like wigs that I've enjoyed in this month, I've enjoyed RPGSHOW's YVONNE. I enjoyed that more so in January, but I didn't do a favorites video. But I really love RPGSHOW's YVONNE. She's a very expensive human hair wig. I think it's like $600, but it's beautiful. I've had it for 2 years, still in great condition, and it's beautiful. I also love the Sensational Butter Lace wig. So this wig is, on the flip side, $40 versus that $600. It's a beautiful chic bob, and it just looks really good, and the lace melts beautifully. Highly recommend that, especially for spring. I'm going to probably put that in my spring summer wig recommendations video. I think it's a beautiful wig and a great option for people who want something short. And I'm going to include this wig as well. So I just reviewed this wig today. I just batched like 4 videos and just, changed my shirt. But it's the same day. This is Outre Jenni. The last time I checked on Amazon is $36.49 in the number 2. But they fluctuate in prices every day and by color. So it's by popularity. So this is a nice affordable option. It's a nice mid-length. It's not doing the most. It's very understated and beautiful. I got this wig because I saw it on Wigs to Waist Length and she looked amazing in it. And you can watch that review, but I think it's just so me. This is a me wig right here. It's a me wig. Highly recommend it. I'll have it in the description box. It'll be in my Amazon storefront. And speaking of my Amazon, I wanted to talk about just this one right now, which is my necklace. It's just a simple understated necklace, and I'll put it right here like a closer picture. I have grown to love more dainty pieces. Now today I have my chunky hoops in, but I feel like it was a vibe. But I have the chunky, you know, thick statement hoops here, but a understated, simple, solitary, fake diamond necklace here. And it just looks, it's just so perfect and understated. Now, if you are a plus size woman, you know, if you haven't noticed, a lot of necklaces don't fit us. So I do have on a necklace extender, which I will also put right here and in the description box. So if you're somebody, you have noticed a lot of the costume jewelry does not fit you, it's because when you are a plus size woman, a lot of necklaces aren't made for us. So we have to get necklace extenders so we can wear our necklaces more comfortably so they don't look like chokers. So one of my subscribers put me onto necklace extenders like 2 or 3 years ago, and it's been a game changer for me, and I appreciate them doing that. So I don't have to worry about all my necklaces looking like chokers. Okay, so it fits me, it drops where I want it to be, and it actually can make it a little bit lower as well if I wanted to. So the necklace is super cheap, it's like $13, and then the necklace extenders, they have them in gold and silver depending on whichever one you want. They're about $7, so I think it's well worth it. And this is just a nice understated daily piece to wear here. I gotta mention my Crocs. So I have seen Crocs for years and I have always hated them. I thought they were so ugly, and they still are ugly, but they're insanely comfortable. Leah Lavon put me onto these in one of her favorite videos, and I was like, I'm just gonna, you know, buy some. So now I have like three pairs of them, and I wear them every day. They're so comfortable. I love them. Highly recommend them, especially if you're about that comfy life. I see all the young kids wear Crocs as well, and they'll wear them with, I've seen like women wear them as well with like anklets, and it's super cute. So yes, Crocs are ugly, but they're super comfortable. So I'm a fan of Crocs now. I'm on the wave. So if you enjoyed this video, I hope you guys did. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Shout out to you guys for tuning in. Anybody who's tuning in and watching this, I hope you guys enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at iFancyCupcakes. I'm active on both platforms. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.